debating. I could chat all night. My mind is out creating while I'm setting wrongs to right. Called Darwin's information. Is evolution just imagination? The theory's standing, but it's got holes. The theory's running on its last goals, and I would rather question instead this tired plan I can't get out my head. In the Latin lectures, the fossils tell a tale, but it's no simple picture when the evidence gets frail. Just takes a missing molecule to turn a skeptic from the school. The theory's standing, but it's got holes. The theory's running on its last goals, and I would rather question instead this tired plan I can't get out my head. When the gaps are all too big, are we learning, understanding, or just dancing on a rig? The theory's standing, but it's got holes. The theory's running on its last goals, and I would rather question instead this tired plan I can't get out of my head. New fossil find comes more questions than before. We piece together stories, but the truth's a little more. Are we grasping at a notion, or just fishtails in the ocean? The theory's standing, but it's got holes. The theory's running on its last goals, and I would rather question instead this tired plan I can't get out my head.